Today I am going to teach you about articles. First of all, we about articles. What is articles? The use of a and in a sentence. It means a and is known as articles. Now let's see the use of articles. First of all, we about the use of articles A. Before knowing about the use of articles A, we have to discuss about vowels and consonant. There are 5 vowels and consonant. Vowels. A, E, I, O, U is known as vowels and consonant. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K is known as consonant. Now let's see the use of articles A. A is used with consonant letter and consonant sound. We use A before singular nouns. For example, boy. Here we use A before boy because the first letter of boy is B and B is consonant letter and their sound is consonant sound. So we use A before boy. Next example, cat. Cat. Here we use A before cat because the first letter of C is C and consonant letter and their sound is consonant sound. So we use A before cat. Now let's see the use of articles and. N is used with vowel letter and vowel sound. And we use N before singular nouns. For example, and. Here we use N before and. Here we use N before and because the first letter of and A is A and vowel letter and vowel sound. Vowel letter and their sound is vowel sound. So we use N before and. Next example, orange. Here we use N before orange because the first letter of orange O is O and vowel letter and their sound is vowel sound. So we use N before orange. Now let's see the use of article the. Now let's see the use of articles the. We use article the with special person or particular object. For before the names of mountain, before the names of mountain. before the names of mountain. For example, the Himalaya, the Nilgiri, etc. The Himalaya. The Himalaya is a big mountain. The Nilgiri, etc. Before the names of rivers. For example, the Ganges, the Yamuna, etc. Before the names of rivers, the Ganges, the Yamuna, etc. Before the names of oceans. For example, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic, etc. Before the names of unique thing, before the names of unique thing. For example, the earth, the sun, the moon, the bird, etc. Before the names of great people, before the names of great people, the Mahatma Gandhi, the Mother Teresa, etc. Before the names of religious book, before the names of religious book. For example, the Ramayana, the Bible, etc. Before the names of direction. Example, the south, the north, etc. Before the names of historical building, before the names of historical building, before the names of historical building. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, the Gol Ghar, etc. I hope Understand you what I taught you. Okay, stay home safe.